What's your name?
Rosie.
Palm?
I'm a tranny.
Lolita?
I'm a tranny.
Is it Palm or is it...
Here, come on.
What's that?
Get your fucking shoes off.
I have to
Before
get
we
up.
right in the face, dude.
Right in the face.
Come on, I don't want to. You're gonna make me like cookie bowl.
Come on, jump on in. I'll jump in with you. I swear. Come on, no, I'll sell you.
Every
No.
time it's like so like numb. It's amazing.
Oh, it's bedtime.
This is what bedtime is like for the whole fucking Simpson household. You selling crack there, Kevin? What's going on here? What's going on here?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's not this guy's. You just lay right here. Look at that.
Oh wow, this is really rad.
Now just take your pants off.
Hey. Yeah, I love you, dude. Shut up. Ah! Hold on, dude. Hold on.
No, shut up. You're going in this fucking mummy. Get up in there. Come on.
Yeah, I'm over
Him and down so he can't. Keep going.
You didn't understand that.
Yeah,
Nice.
Good night, Mike.
Oh, I love you, too. I love you, man.
You know I'm gonna pee in your fucking sleeping bag in the
Dude,
bed.
just right in my face right now.
Ask and you shall receive.
I love pee.
Do you like Tabasco?
I love Tabasco.
That was a workout, dude.
Let's not involve that.
You didn't even have to do shit.
I'm still like I'm caught up, dude.
You are like set. You're set.
I love you, Kevin, dude. Don't get anyone else, dude. Look, dude, I'm like so caught up.
Dude, you're in the zone.
I'm
You're
not in the
cozy
pocket. Hey, I'm not in the pocket.
zone. You're in the fucking pocket for
No,
sure.
I'm not in the pocket, dude.
I heard it was like 80 degrees in the pocket.
Kevin, the pocket.
That's like 105.
Am I really in the pocket?
You're in the pocket.
No, I'm not in the pocket.
You don't even have to put any Tabasco on that shit.
I'm not in the pocket.
That's a hot sauce right there.
The pocket is like.
Mama bird, eat baby bird. Now let's try it again.
Is that coming out of his nose or out of his mouth? Or...
Alright, stop.
Alright, let's make this more like theatrical.
No, I'm one bed. Fuck you guys. Nope. Oh.
Already at 60 gigs, so.
You're good.
I love you, dude.
He's good.